Hi everyone, how are you all? So this is Junaid Khan, and in today's video I'm going to talk about what you should do when you are on the bench in TCS, Infosys, Wipro, IBM. So you all are wondering what you should do. So yeah, you are on the right place and you are on the right channel. You will get to know all about what you should do when you are on the bench. So like when we are on the bench period, it just usually around 1 to 3 months. Okay, minimum 3 months is I think it will be there before getting into the project fully. Okay, so you might have a training period and all those things including, so it will take around 1 to 3 months. Okay, so what you should do in that, so we will follow five steps. So let's make a flow chart and you will good to go. So what you should do, what you want to do, all those things we will talk about in this video, so just stay connected with this video. So let's go ahead with first step. So whatever will be first step, so first step, you should know what you want to become. So yeah, now you all are thinking like, yeah, like sorry, like you want to say what, we are in the IT company, so we want to be like a software engineer. Yeah, you're right. You want to become the software engineer, but what type of software engineer you want to become? Like there are many fields, and like Node.js and HTML, sorry, web development and Android development and software development. Many more things are there. So what you want to become? So just question arises there. So first step is what you want to become. So let's take my step. I want to become an like a data analyst or data scientist. So I took the first step, like what I want to become. So here it comes. First step, like I want to become data analyst. So now let's go to the our second step. The second, what should be our second step? For the second step, you should know how you can achieve your goal. So first step is your goal, so how you can achieve that. So for that you should know how what steps you are going to follow, or what things you are going to follow, what courses you are going to follow, and what channels you are going to follow to complete that. So for that I made a I extracted what should be things are there in the data analyst field. Suppose Python or R, data, SQL, and many more things. So for like web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ajax, and Node.js, and many more. So you all know what you want to become and what that field contains. Okay, so here our step come. What we want, what things we should know to achieve our goal. Our first step. So after that, our third step came. So what's the third step? Now you start preparing. Okay, so just take, okay, so just take out some time and make an Excel file to update, and try to make habit to update that Excel file daily. So try to make that Excel file on the drive. So why on the drive? From laptop you can access it, from your iPhone or any Android phone, whatever you have, from any personal gadget, you can update there. So daily updation is must require. So just update daily on that Excel file. And after that, fourth step came. So what's the fourth step? You just start doing it and start learning from like the things which you write in the step 2. Okay, the things which you write in the step 2. So just start doing in the step 4. And you did something like I did Python, and after that I did SQL. So I start doing and just writing in the Excel file. So just write down in the Excel file. After that, step 5 came. So what's the step 5? That's the like that step is must. Okay, so you should do like on the day when you should know, you know nothing about that, about thing like Python. I know nothing, like, but on the day 7 I compare my first day and the 7th day. Okay, why I compare? Because I want to increase my like, I'm doing something, so that's something enthusiast me now. Okay, so what thing can enthusiast you? What things can motivate you? The right word is what thing can motivate you. So only the fifth step can motivate you. What's that? Compare your day 1 and day 7. Okay, so where you are in the on the day 1 and where you are on the day 7. So you will get to know, yeah, you are doing something right, and that makes like you are on the right track, so you are going to achieve something. So here comes an example. Okay, so there is a YouTuber, Mohammad Yahiya Khan. Okay, he's one of my friend, and he just joined TCS, and he is on the bench also. Okay, so how he is achieving his goal and what he is doing. Okay, so he is like making videos daily on the YouTube. Sometimes he upload 2 videos, or sometimes he made one video, and as a part time he is teaching Java. Okay, part time he's teaching Java on another channel. I think there is channel like Newton channel. Okay, so he's achieved he's doing there. I will provide the link of his LinkedIn ID. Okay, so you can connect with him over like he is what he is doing. So this is how you can achieve it. This is how I did it, and this is how I get into the data analysis field. Okay, as a fresher, many of you think that how I did it, how did I go into the data analysis field. I already made a video, but that is in Hindi, so you can watch it. If you want, I can make it in English. Okay, so just stay connected with me and just follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, and wherever you want to. Okay, just I will provide the link on the description box. If you want to know what more things you can do or what learning paths you should follow for particular software development, web development, or Android development, I will contact the right person and will try to extract the all the key information and will post here. Okay, so whatever things you want to know, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe it and share with other your friends so that they can also get benefit. Thank you guys for watching this video.